Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Mumble server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for mumble.com, just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this website right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and on this tab right here, as you can see, it says get a Mumble server for your group. You can simply name it whatever you want. So simply go ahead and have a host name. So let me just go ahead and get it. So as you can see, up to 15 users is going to be $9 a month, and you can get it for Australia, North America, or Europe. You could also get it on a discount right over here. And then you simply go ahead and enter your full name, email, confirm email, and then you can just simply order Mumble server just like that, and it will be set up really quickly. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.